Hello, YouTubers. One question, why are you watching this? Second, do you want to see my pet monkey? Come here, monkey. Come here. Come here. Get in the picture now or I'll beat you. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Or I'll beat you. See, here's my monkey. Now sit. Sit or I'll beat you. Sit or I'll beat you. There we go. Not the banana. Not the banana. Not banana. Do you want your banana for supper tonight? That's what I thought. No, monkey. Where did your cherry chapstick go? Did you eat it already? Chapstick, where'd you go? Found it. Oh, don't hide it in my bra again. Okay, monkey. Do you want some cherry chapstick? You want to put it? No! Bad monkey. Bad! Sorry, YouTube. That's all you're going to get out of my monkey. She's being very, very bad today. That's not a banana! Stop or I'll beat you. Stop. Bad. Out. Go to your room. Okay. Bye, YouTube. Bye.